third element of evaluating profitability of a business is from the perspective of assets utilization. Assets utilization, and that is where we calculate a ratio which is known as a return on investment. Return on investment. Now, how do we calculate return on investment? Very simple. A return divided by investment into 100 is my return on investment. And then the fourth mode of calculating or evaluating profitability of a business is on overall basis. Now, before we come to the overall basis, friends, let us quickly do some case studies. Now, I'm sharing with you some numbers, and so these are the numbers that you have on your screen. And how will you calculate a return on equity from these numbers? All of you, please calculate and put it in the chat box. It should not take you more than 30 seconds to calculate your return on equity from these numbers. So 30 seconds, your time starts now. You can please give your answer in the chat box, and I will open that and see. What is the return on equity from the numbers that you see on your screen? Please write your number in the chat box. Should not take you more than 30 seconds. I think 30 seconds is also more, but so much of time I can give you certainly. Return on equity. How will you calculate return on equity from the numbers that you have on your screen? And how do you calculate return on equity? Of course, it's very simple. Return divided by equity. How do you calculate return on investment? Very simple. Return divided by investment into 100 will give you your return on investment. And third thing, how do you calculate return on capital employed? Very simple. Return divided by capital employed will give you a return on capital employed. Now, to make your life easy, friends, I am not changing the numbers. The numbers are same as you see them on your screen. Looking at these numbers, you need to calculate these three different ratios: return on equity, return on investment, and return on capital employed. So ये तीनों ratios calculate करिए, और मेरे ख्याल से आपको ये तीनों ratios calculate करने में 2 मिनट से ज़्यादा का समय नहीं लगना चाहिए. You should not take more than 2 minutes to calculate these three ratios, and your time is already on.